I would also like to mention those friends whom I spent this school year with. Papa-volleyball man yan, kainan, at pati na rin sa study session na kadalasan ay nauuwi lang naman sa kwentuhan, kantahan, o di kaya na may makakatulungan sa pako. To my friends na naligaw ng batch, sa mga former lab classmates na ngayon ay action. Never once have I felt that I'm being left out even though we don't spend that much time together. Lastly, I would like to thank my dearest friends, Ray, Charlie, Jane, Devon, Eliza, Ariane, Trina, and Geraldine, who never failed to put a smile on my face each and every time. To end this speech, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the people who ignited my love for the world of chemistry, Ma'am Joanna and Sir Aces. I probably wouldn't have enjoyed this subject as much as I had if it weren't for the way you taught us. Sessions which was infused with a bucket full of knowledge and a sprinkle of joy. And lastly, I would like to congratulate and thank myself for continuously persisting in the face of adversity. Thank you and may God bless us all.